Away from that now, the House of Representatives has directed Nigerdock Ltd to write the Bureau of Public Enterprise requesting the reimbursement of 341 tax liabilities and litigation costs. Its Committee on Privatisation and Commercialisation gave the directive at an investigative hearing on the Nigerdock Ltd Transactions, the BPE and management of Polaris Bank in Abuja. National Assembly correspondent Joke Adisa has details.
Since 2008, the Bureau of Public Enterprises and Nigerdock Ltd have been immersed in post-privatization crisis over pre-privatization liabilities alleged not to have been disclosed before the actual privatization. BPE had claimed ignorance of the existing liabilities by the legacy company Nigerdock, which led to a legal tussle between the duo. This intervention by the Parliament is to find an amicable solution to the dispute between the two parties so as to attract investors. The agency says it has yet to be given any information on the issue of claims and settlements, which Nigerdock disagreed with, just as the bank also spoke on its involvement.
The purported transaction between Ministry of Transport and Navimo had no legal basis. Ministry of Transport had no ownership of the company. The company was owned by Mofi and BPE. I don't understand how Ministry of Transport could have sold to Navimo. They did not give them any share certificate.
I've been from the date of privatization of Nigerdock, hosting the BPE continuously at every instance that they request a visit or a monitoring exercise. I have personally taken members of the BPE around Nigerdock.
Try to resolve this matter amicably. We've had discussions with Nigerdock to write off some portion of the loan, agree repayment terms, and use that as terms of settlement. That was way back in September 2022. But unfortunately, Nigerdock did not meet the obligation.
And after listening to all parties, the committee gives its verdict.
That the subcommittee of the committee is constituted to address the issues of 30% claim of Navimo and the judgment of Polaris Bank against Nigerdock by engaging with the parties with a view to resolving the issues mutually, amicably, and report back to the committee within 7 working days.
As part of the resolutions at the end of the panel inquiry, BPE and Nigerdock are to work together to recover all missing title documents. Nigerdock is also to write BPE on the delisting issue. Joke Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.